Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 8th standard maths topic measurements. This is a continuation of exercise 2.1, 11th one. In front of a house, flower plants are grown in a circular quadrant shaped pot whose radius is 2 feet. Find the area of the pot in which the plants grow. In this sum, we are using pi is equal to 3.14. This is a quadrant shaped pot. So first we finding theta. Already we know the quadrant shaped angle is 90 degree. Here radius r is equal to given 2 feet. In central angle theta is equal to 90 degree. So we find the area of the sector is equal to formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square units. Here theta is equal to 90 degree divided by 360 into pi is equal to 3.14 into radius 2 feet. So 2 into 2. We simplify now. 0, 0 cancel. Then 1 9s are 9. 4 9s are 36. Here we simplify into 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. Again 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. The remaining number is 3.14 square units. So therefore the area of the pot is equal to 3.14 square units. In 12th one, Tamu fixes a square tile of 30 cm on the floor. The tiles has a sector design on it as shown in the figure. Find the area of the sector. In the square shaped tiles, the designs shown in quadrant shape. So we have theta is equal to 90 degree. Already given radius is equal to 30 centimeter. So radius r is equal to 30 centimeter. Central angle theta is equal to 90 degree. So we find the area of the sector using this formula theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square units. Here theta is equal to 90 degree. 90 divided by 360 into pi is equal to 3.14 into radius equal to 30 into 30. Now we simplify. Here 0 cancel 0, 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. We simplify in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 15 2s are 30. Again 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. So the remaining number we have 15 into 3.14. So we multiply. 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So 225 into 3.14, we get the answer 706.5. So area of the sector is equal to 706.5 centimeter square. The next one, a circle is formed with 8 granite stones as shown in the figure, each of radius 56 centimeter. And whose central angle is 45 degree. Find the area of each of the granite. This is a circular shape. A circle is formed with 8 granite stones. So in a circle total angle 360 degree divided into 8 equal parts. So 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45 degree. So we have the central angle is 45 degree is given. Then radius is equal to 56 centimeter. Theta is equal to 45 degree. So area of each of the granite is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square units. Using this formula, we have theta is equal to 45 degree. So 45 divided by 360 into 22 divided by 7 into radius 56 into 56. We simplify now. We have the fifth table. 9 5s are 45. 7 5s are 35. remainder 1, 2, 10, so 2 5s are 10. Here ninth table, 1 9s are 9, 8 9s are 72. Here 1 7s are 7, 8 7s are 56. So 8 8 cancel, the remaining number is 56 into 22. So 56 into 22 we multiply now. 2 6 are 12, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. 2 6 are 12, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. So adding now we have 2, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 2, 1. So 1232 centimeter square. So area of each of the granite is equal to 1232 centimeter square. Next we start in combined shapes. In our day-to-day life, we use infinitely many things of shapes like circle, triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, etc. I will give some example in window, model house. What do we observe from the above pictures? The shape of a window is like a semicircle placed over a rectangle, whereas front-facing wall of a model house look like a triangle over a square. So, two or more plane figures joined with the sides of same measure give rise to a new shape called combined shapes. Next, how to find the perimeter of combined shapes? The perimeter of combined shapes means the sum of all the length of the sides that form closed boundary. For example, observe the picture which has a square of side A units and an equilateral triangle of side A units combined together. Though a square has 4 sides and equilateral triangle has 3 sides, when they are combined together, we will have a total of only 5 sides for the boundary of this combined shapes, not in 7 sides, isn't it? So, the perimeter of the combined shape is A plus, A plus, A plus, A plus A, that is 5A units. Next, how to find the perimeter of the combined figures in exercise 2.2. In first subdivision, the combined shapes is given. Here, this shape is semicircle. So, the diameter of the semicircle is 7 meter. Find the radius. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So, 7 divided by 2 meter. So, first find the perimeter of the semicircle using this formula pi r units. Here, pi is equal to 22 by 7 into radius 7 by 2. 7 7 cancel. Here 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. So 11 meter. So perimeter of the given figure is equal to this side 10 meter, here 7 meter, here 10 meter. The perimeter of the semicircle is 11 meter. So 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11 is equal to 38 meter. The second subdivision, the picture is given. Here the rectangle shape, then two quadrant shapes. First, the circumference of the two quadrant we find it. So circumference of two quadrants is equal to 2 into pi r divided by 2 unit. 2 cancel, remaining is pi into r. Using pi is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 3.5. 1 7s are 7, 5 7s are 35. Here point is given, so 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 is equal to 11 centimeter. So the perimeter of the given figure is equal to 6 centimeter, then 3.5 plus 6 plus 3.5, then perimeter of two quadrant is equal to 11 centimeter. So adding now 3.5 plus 3.5, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 11 is equal to 30 centimeter. So perimeter of the figure is equal to 30 centimeter. Thank you.